Begin the installation of your Smartboard MX Series interactive display with iCUE by following the illustrated instructions in the box. These instructions can also be downloaded from the Smart Technology support site. Please note, this installation video shows a 65-inch display. The installation procedure for the 75 and 86-inch displays are slightly different. These differences are covered in the illustrated instructions. Before you install the wall mount, consider the type of installation and the average height of the people who will be using the display. A standard installation height is 55 inches or 140 centimeters from the ground to the center of viewing area. Install the iCUE appliance into the accessory slot. Secure the iCUE appliance using the screws, then attach its antennas. The accessory slot's appearance differs depending on the display's size. See the illustrated instructions for more information. Also attach the display's antennas. The Smartboard MX comes with a wall mount. Loosen the screws securing the wall mount to the display brackets and remove the wall mount. Do not remove the screws completely when removing the wall mount. Install the wall mount in your desired location following the illustrated instructions. Be sure to use the correct hardware for the type of wall. Once the mount is secured to the wall, get another person to help you lift the display onto the wall mount. Tighten the screws that secure the display to the wall mount. Connect the power cord. The main power connector will be in a different location depending on the display's size. See the illustrated instructions for more information. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. Place the display's pens onto the magnetic pen tray to the front of the display. If you're connecting a computer, connect the video and USB cables to the connector panels located on the left and bottom of the display, or to the front connector panel. Find the main power switch and flick it on. The power switch will be in a different location depending on the display's size. See the illustrated instructions for more information. Configure the iCUE system by following the on-screen setup steps. Before you can take advantage of the full interactive capability of your display, you'll need to install smart product drivers and software to the connected computer. Your Smartboard MX Series interactive display comes with a license for Smart Learning Suite software. You can download the software by visiting smarttech.com/downloads. Ensure the firmware on your smartboard is up to date. Visit the support site for more information. Your Smartboard MX Series interactive display is now ready to be used. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit smarttech.com.